All right, what a disaster. So we poured our concrete on our Chermside West project yesterday. We checked 3 different weather channels and everything said that there wouldn't be rain until late afternoon, and it come at about 9:30. So generally when we pour a driveway or a slab of this size, the concrete's in, it's done, it's finished, it's set by 11 o'clock, and within an hour of that, it doesn't really matter how much rain comes. But anyway, we didn't quite make it yesterday, and with the current situation in the industry, it's very hard to make these calls, because if we put things off, we generally don't, we're not talking about putting them off for a day or even a week, like we're talking another month or 6 weeks. So we made the call yesterday to get this poured. It rained on it. It literally only needed 15 minutes, 30 minutes, and this driveway could have been rained on for the rest of its life. But the rain came a little bit too early, and what it's done is it's washed the top off of it. So the boys are going to get stuck into it today. We actually think we can save this driveway. So everything's about coming up with solutions and not focusing on the problem. And so we're going to acid wash. We're going to put a really strong acid wash over the top of this whole driveway. We're going to scrub it with a stainless steel wire brush, and that'll bring it back to more consistent finish. And I'm actually pretty positive with what I've seen here this morning. We've done a lot of sample patches. We're keeping it wet and moist on top, and I actually think that we've got a good chance of bringing this driveway back and saving it. So we'll keep you updated on how it all pans out.